Yes, today we will be discussing the chapter coordinate geometry, discussing through model question paper. We have collected nearly 20 more questions. These all are in MCQ. The last one is case studies questions. The coming examination is an MCQ type questions, isn't it? Coordinate geometry. Actually, this chapter discussing first the basic concepts of points and coordinate system. The second is distance formula. Third, Zeshan formula. And the final point is the area of a triangle. But area of triangle is deleted due to this panic situation. CBSE deleted. But the main 3 points are there. The basic concepts of points and coordinate system, distance formula, and Zeshan formula. The following questions based on these concepts. I will give more ideas about this chapter, some shortcut method, how to do the questions very easily, short method, give some extra formulas for doing these type of MCQ questions. Please, everybody note down these type of the formula in a piece of paper. All are quite simple questions. The number 1, coordinate system, the first question. The distance from the points P, X, Y to the origin is. The distance from the points P, X, Y to the origin. Look, the coordinate system, this is a coordinate system. Y-axis, X-axis, X dash, origin here, the horizontal line, that is an X-axis, vertical line, Y-axis, Y dash. In the system, there is a plane XY, plane divides 4 equal parts, 4 parts. This is a horizontal and vertical lines divides the plane into 4 parts. That part is known as a quadrant, naming anti-clockwise direction, isn't it? So here the distance from the points P, X, Y to the origin. Suppose P is here, P, X, Y. Distance from the X-axis to the X-axis. The distance from the point P, X, Y to the origin. Here the question is origin. Origin is this 0, 0. Origin is 0, 0. This distance is what? Actually, the formula, distance formula, look, distance formula, distance equal to, distance formula, distance equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, isn't it? Which is x1, y1, 0, 0, x1, y1. And this is x2, y2. Here, what is it? Root of x square, x minus 0, the whole square is x square plus y square. The answer is root of x square plus y square. The answer go to the option B, root of x square plus y square. Yes. Yes. Leah got the correct answer, option B. Anushka, Anil Kumar got the correct answer. Yes, very good, very good. Okay. Yes. Leah, Anushka, Avintika also got the correct answer, B options. Okay. Can we go to next question? This is a basic concept and including the distance formula. Question number 2. Actually, question number 2 is this one. If the points 0, 4, 4, 0 and 6, 2p are collinear, the value of p is the collinear. What is the collinear condition? Collinear. I will explain the collinearity. Collinear points. If 3 points are collinear, if the points A, x1, y1, b x2, y2, and c x3, y3 are collinear. That is collinear. Collinear means those lines lie the same line. Collinear. This line the same lines. A x1, y1, b x2, y2, c x3, y3. What to do this question? There are several methods are there. Number one, the first method, AB, the distance of A and B, AB. The AB indicate the distance between A and B. AB plus BC equal to AC, we can say. Then number one, AB plus BC is equal to AC, we can say collinear condition. If it make a triangle, definitely one of the sides should be greater than the sum of other, less than the sum of other two sides, isn't it? What's the condition for triangle? The sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. If the points are collinear, means this AB and BC, AC are collinear to the same line, we can say AB plus BC is equal to AC. The one of the method. The other method is the area of the triangle formed with the ABC is 0. Area of triangle. Unfortunately, this year deleted that portion. Area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC equal to 0 for the conditions of lines are collinear, points are collinear. The shortcut method. If the point x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are collinear, we can say x3 minus. So everybody listen here, x3 minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 equal to y3 minus y1 divided by y3 minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1. Very easy to find out the values, the collinear condition. So direct method is AB plus, by using the distance formula, AB plus BC is equal to AC. AB plus BC is equal to AC. And another is area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. The short method, x3 minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 equal to y3 minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1. Please note down this formula, or otherwise take a screenshot. Or let's go to next question. Actually, this is, if the points 0, 4, 4, 0 and 6, 2p are collinear, then the value of p is, so collinear, look, x3 minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y3 minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, isn't it? x3, that is 2, x3, 6 minus 0, x1, 0. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Divided by x2, 4 minus 0, that is equal to y3, 2p minus y1, 4, divided by y2, 0, minus 4. So look, this is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 is equal to, that 4 and minus 4 cancel. This is minus 6 is equal to 2p minus 4. Then 2p is equal to minus 2. P is equal to what? P is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the answer. The correct answer goes to option A. Correct answer is option A. By using the shortcut method for doing these type of MCQ questions, no need to find out the direct method. It's a very long procedure. We have find the length of AB, length of BC and length of AC. and put the formula AB plus BC plus AC. Definitely 2 or 3 minutes. But in this method, we can apply very easily. Okay, clear? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, please send message through chat box. Okay. Then let's go to next question, the third question. The points on the y-axis which is equidistant from A, -5, -2 and B, 3, 2. So let the point on the y-axis is, let y-axis 0, y. Let 0, y be the point on the y-axis. Point on the y-axis. Isn't it? The point on the y-axis is definitely x-coordinate 0, the ordinate axis 0, ordinate y. So suppose this is point on the y-axis, 0, y. 0, y. Suppose P here, P, we not P. And 2 points. One is A, -5, -2. This is B here. B, which is the point 3, 2. Equidistance means the distance PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. PA indicates the distance between P and A. The P and A, that is PA square is equal to, that is a square root of what? -5 square. -5 or -0 square is 25 here. Plus -2 y, that is y minus -2, that is y plus 2 the whole square here. That is equal to PB. 3 minus 0, that is 3 square 9. Plus y minus 2 the whole square. Squaring both side. And to just simplify, squaring. On both side, 25. 25 is equal to 25 plus y square plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 9 plus y square minus 2y plus 4. Isn't it? You can cancel y square on both sides. So you can cancel these 2 y square, no? And also 2y here, that is minus 2y, 4 and 4 cancel. That 4y is equal to, what? 4y is equal to 25. 9 minus 25, that is minus 16. 9 minus 25 is minus 16. Then y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4. Is the point y is equal to minus 4? Definitely this is 0, minus 4 is the point. 0, minus 4 is the point. Tirtha, is it clear? Have you any doubt? This equidistance means an equal distance from P to A and P to B. PA equal to PB and PA square is equal to PB square. Okay, can I go to next question? Any doubt, please send through the chat box. I will discuss this matter also. Okay, let's go to next question. Question number 4. The vertices of a triangle ABC are respectively A -1, 2, B 3, 4 and C -5, 2. If D is the midpoint of BC, then the length of AD will be, look, A -1, 2 here, B 3, 4, Z -5, 2, isn't it? And D is the midpoint of BC. Look, BC midpoint. How do you find out the midpoint? What to do? Then look, BC midpoint. Midpoint is equal to midpoint x1, y1. x1 plus x2 divided by 2. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the formula for finding the midpoints of the line. So here 3 plus minus 5, that is minus 2 by 2 is minus 1 here. And 4 plus 2, 6, 6 by 2, 3. The midpoint is this one, D. Midpoint D is this. And AD is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square. Minus 1 minus minus 1 is 0. 0 square is 0. Plus 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Minus 1 square, that is equal to 1. So 1 is answer. So the correct answer, D option. This is the correct answer. Yes, definitely, Charlie. The session formula. Actually, the session formula, the midpoint is used by session formula. The session formula is a point Pxy be the point divides the segment joining x1, y1 and x2, y2. Internally in the ratio m is to n. This is x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. In the case of midpoint, m is to n is equal to 1 is to 1. In that case, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 is the midpoint. Okay, that's absolutely correct, Charlie. Okay, is it clear? What the next question? If the point x comma 0, 0 comma y and 1, 1 are collinear, then the relation is, if 3 points are collinear, x3 minus x1. It's a short formula for find the collinearity, x3 minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is equal to y3 minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1. Maybe not teach the formula in your school, but there is no problem because there is some MCQ type questions. Nobody know how to get this answer. You can use any type of the formula, any concept. But in theory examination, definitely we are using the NCERT method. But in the entrance means an MCQ, so you can use any method. An easy method is there. That is x3, that is 1 minus x1, 1 minus x divided by x2 minus 0 minus x, 0 minus x. That is equal to 1 minus 0 divided by y2, y minus 0, y. So look here, cross multiplication, y into 1, y minus xy is equal to minus x. Look, minus x is taken this side, you are moving minus x this side. What happened? X plus y is equal to xy. Is it clear? So which answer? Then x plus y is equal to xy. B is the correct answer. B. Okay? Please send a message. You have any doubt? Is it clear? Everybody use the chat box. Okay. So clear, Shusha clear. Okay, Charlie also. Message, Leah, clear sir, okay. Abhinav, clear sir, okay. Okay, Abhinav. Yes, very good. Okay, let's go to next question. Yes. In this case, the question number 6, the coordinate of points A, where AB is the diameter of circle, whose center is 3 minus 4 and B is 1, 4. The circle, you know the circle here? It's a circle. The coordinate of A, where AB is diameter, you know the diameter. The chord passing through the center. Diameter AB AB diameter. AB diameter of a circle with the center is 3 comma minus 4. This center is 3 comma minus 4, isn't it? And B is 1 comma 4. B is 1 comma 4. So definitely the ratio is 1:1, isn't it? Let suppose this A is, let x1, y1 here. Let x1, y1 be A. Then x1 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Then x1 is equal to what? x1 is equal to x1 plus 1 is equal to 6. x1 is equal to 5. x1 is equal to 5. Then y1 plus 4 divided by 2. y1 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 4. Then y1 plus 4 equal to minus 8. Then y1 is equal to minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. x1 5, y1 minus 12. The answer is 5 comma minus 2. A option. Clear? Please send the message through the chat box if you have any doubt in this question or the previous question. If it is clear, please send. Yes. Anushka, Anil Kumar, yes, okay, Anushka, Hari, Narayanan, also send message. Tirtha J, also send message, clear, sir. Yes, very good. Let's go to next question. Actually, the seventh question is there. If the points A 61, B 82, C 94 and P comma Q are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then the value of P plus Q is equal to. Look, fourth vertex of parallelogram. Fourth vertex of the parallelogram. Fourth vertex of the parallelogram. The fourth vertex of the parallelogram, look. This is A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. 3 points are given. Not in the order. And D here, D. We require to find the fourth vertex D with the help of these 3 points taken in order A, B, C. How do you find out these values? What to do? Look, the fourth vertex, definitely the fourth vertex, we will find first, we find the midpoint of the diagonal AC. And also the diagonal BD, the midpoint are same because the diagonal of a parallelograms are bisected. The theoretical method for finding in this type, here first of all we have find the midpoint of AC. That midpoint is same as the midpoint of BD because the diagonals of parallelograms are bisected, isn't it? Then I will give the short method how to find out directly the fourth vertex. The fourth vertex D is equal to A minus B plus C. This is a symbol. A minus B plus C is equal to, that is x1 minus x2 plus x3. The abscissa of the A minus abscissa of B plus abscissa of C is the abscissa of the fourth vertex, x1 minus x2 plus 3. Please listen this method. This is a short method to find out the fourth vertex. And next is y1 minus y2 plus y3. This is the fourth vertex. So fourth vertex of parallelogram. Fourth vertex of the parallelogram. Please note down this formula. You are taken in order. A, B, C are in order. The clockwise, anti-clockwise order A, B, C. The fourth vertex is A minus B plus C, or x1 minus x2 plus x3, comma y1 minus y2 plus y3. The questions, our question is there. These are questions. If the points, look, A, so point A 6, 1, B 8, 2, C 9, 4, and D is equal to what? Actually, D here, P, Q. The D is equal to what? D. 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8. That is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 9. Here is 7. And 1 minus 2. Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4. 3. Therefore, P plus Q is equal to what? P plus Q is equal to 7 plus 3. The answer is 10. This is the enriched method. This is the method for objective type questions. We can learn that question very easily with that formula. Do you understand in this concept? Anybody have doubt? Please send a message. Do you want more explanation, more times? Okay. It's clear, Anisha. There is no more explanation because it's already clear. Yes, very good. Please note down that formula. So are taken in order, ABC are taken in order, x1 minus x2 plus x3, y1 minus y2 plus y3. We can get the fourth vertex. Fourth vertex. A short method to find out this one. Okay. And this is the third vertex of the triangle. Third vertex. Third vertex. Third vertex of equilateral triangle. You know the equilateral triangle? All sides are equal. Equilateral triangle. Third vertex of the equilateral triangle. Look. Two vertexes are there. Third vertex. This is A. X1, Y1. B. X2, Y2. The third vertex C. The third vertex C. That is equal to what? X1 plus X2 plus or minus root 3 into Y1 minus Y2 divided by 2, comma, Y1 plus Y2 minus or plus, please listen here, this is plus or minus, this case is minus or plus x1 minus x2 divided by 2. This is the third vertex of equilateral triangle. Third vertex of isosceles triangle. Third vertex of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Third vertex of isosceles triangle. Same thing. The basic formulas are there. Base are given. Look. A, B, isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Isn't it? Look, These two angles are same, isosceles. This is 90 degree. Look, the third vertex is C is what? C is equal to what? X1 plus X2 plus or minus Y1 minus Y2 divided by 2. Y1 plus Y2 minus or plus X1 minus X2 divided by 2. This is the third vertex of isosceles triangle. Look, A and B are, the side AC is equal to BC. Side AC is equal to BC. These two sides are same. AC is equal to BC and D and C is a right angle. In this case, you can get the answer x1 plus x2 plus or minus y1 minus y2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 minus or plus x1 minus x2 divided by 2. So please note down these two formulas. Actually, it is a short method for finding the third vertex of equilateral triangle, and the second case is right angled isosceles triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Right angled isosceles triangle or isosceles right angle triangle. In other type of the triangle, there is a formula, but not discussing here. It is connected to some trigonometry. That's why we are discussing only these two matters. So I will go to next question. This case, the third vertex of right angled isosceles triangle with vertices are 1, 0 and 0, 1. So the third vertex equal to third vertex that is equal to what? X1 plus X2 plus or minus Y1 minus Y2 divided by 2, comma Y1 plus Y2 minus or plus X1 minus X2 divided by 2. So in this case, actually that's formula, this is a formula, x1 y1, this is x1 y1, that is x2 y2, x1 is 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 plus or minus y1 0, 0 minus 1 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2, 0 plus 1 minus or plus x1 1 minus x2 0, 1 minus 0 divided by 2. Look, that is equal to 1. The first case is 1 plus minus 1, 0, 0 by 2, 0. And this case is 1 minus 1, 0. This is 0. Or the second case, 1 minus minus 1 is 2 by 2, 1. This is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 by 2, 1. Either 0, 0 or 1, 1 is the point. Either 0, 0 or 1, 1 is, our option is appear only the 1, 1. So the correct answer is C. So by the figure, you can get the answer now. This is x-axis, y-axis, then 1, 0, 1, 0 here, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is isosceles triangle, no. Isosceles, one is a 0, 0. Other is 1, 1. The right angled point is either 0, 0 or 1, 1. By the graph, you can find the values. Is it clear? Doubt? Otherwise, how do you find out? Without knowing this short formula, how do you find out what to do this question? So look, we are using the short method. Let x comma y be the point, the third point. The isosceles triangle are there. AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. We can get the equation, algebraic equation. And to simplify, finally we got the answer. So a lot of steps are there. But here we can get direct formula. Direct formula. We can get the answer directly. So please send a message if you have any doubt. So clear. If you are clear, please send message. Okay, Neha, clear. Okay, Neha. Anushka, clear. Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay. Okay, go to next question. The next question. In this case, in what ratio does the point 1 by 2 comma 6 divides the line segment joining the points 3, 5 and minus 7, 6? In what ratio? The ratio. How do you find out the ratio? I will give the short formula in this case also. So, you know the direct method? Using the formula, you are mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. And finally, you can get the answer. In short method, look, number 1. Let if pxy be the point, if pxy be the point divided by the segment joining, A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 in the ratio is x1, y1, the ratio is, look, x1 minus x is to x minus x2 or y1 minus y is to y minus y2. This is the ratio. Directly we can get that. So look, pxy be the point. A here x1, y1. B x2, y2. The point dividing this px comma y. What is this ratio? What is this ratio AP? x1 minus x. And here this is what? X minus x2. Direct you can get the answer, no? x1 minus x and x minus x2 or y1 minus y is to y minus y2. Please note down this formula. Okay? Clear? Muhammad? Leah? Muhammad Shihabuddin send yes sir, okay. Muhammad. Yes. Actually, this is the ratio x1 minus x is to x minus x2 or y1 minus y is to y minus y2. Very short method is this formula using only this type of MCQ. Not for descriptive type question. The descriptive type questions we done only the method in NCERT prescribing method. Look, this question, in what ratio does the point 1 by 2, 6 divides the line segments joining the points 3, 5 and minus 7, 6. Look, the ratio is x1 minus x is to x minus x2. x1, the first point x1 is 3. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. This is x, y. Then x1 minus 3 minus 1 by 2 is to x. X is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus x2. x2 is minus 7. So here 6 minus 1, 5. 5 by 2 is 2. This is 15 by 2. To cancel, that is 1:3. The correct answer is 1:3. 1:3. Okay. It's a formula, you not on this formula in your formula book, or otherwise please keep a single paper in your side and note down these type of formula. Actually, this is a revision class. You are definitely useful for the forthcoming examination. Time is important factor. Okay, is it clear? Yes, Anisha, Leah, Nishka, Neha, we are okay, Neha. Yes, very good, very good. Also explain some more short methods are there. Suppose the ratio of the line segment joining x1, y1 and x2, y2 divided by x-axis. Number one, the ratio of segment joining ax1, y1 and bx2, y2 is what? The ratio of segment joining ax1, y1 and bx2, y2 by x-axis is, x-axis is, actually x-axis is minus y1 is to y2. The same method, the ratio of the line joining this one by y-axis. Y-axis is minus, y-axis is minus x1 is to x2. So please note out this formula. I will prove this concept now. Look, in the x-axis, at the x-axis, proof. At the x-axis, y equal to 0, isn't it? At the x-axis, y equal to 0. The y equal to 0, y is what? my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is y. This is equal to 0. my2 plus ny1 equal to 0 here. my2 equal to minus ny1. Then m by n, this is ratio, m by n is equal to minus y1 divided by y2. This is the method. M by n is the ratio, that is equal to minus y1 by y2. Where? Cut the x-axis, divided by the x-axis. If it divided by y-axis, minus x1 divided by x2. Please, by heart these formulas, if the segment divided by x-axis, the ratio is minus y1 is to y2. Segment divided by y-axis is minus x1 is to x2. Okay, clear? And let's go to next question. This one. The ratio in which the line segment joining 4, minus 3 and 6, 4 divides by x-axis. Divided by x-axis minus y1 is to y2. That minus y1 minus 3 is to y2 is what? 4. So 3:4 is an answer. 3:4 is an answer. So this D is the correct answer. Okay. I have explained, we have defined this method in how to get the minus y1 is to y2. Anybody have doubts? Please send a message through chat box. Is it clear? Do you understand? Anushka, Anil Kumar, yes, okay. Anushka, Nekha. Okay, Nekha send message, clear sir, okay. Muhammad Shihaudin sent, it is clear, okay, Shihaudin. Then Anushka also, it is clear. Yes, Muhammad Machine send a message, clear sir. Got Sibi. What was Sibi? Nihisha, oh, everybody clear, okay, thank you. Thank you. Go to next question. Next question. Look, the points minus A, minus B, 0, 0, A, B. You are replacing any values. Look. This is x-axis here. Y-axis. Suppose this is minus 1, minus 2. 0, 0. 1, 1, 2. Are these points in the collinear, isn't it? Collinear. Here just replaced A, B, C are in the any values. Collinear. So these points are collinear. This is the correct answer. Please placing the point A, B, 0, 0, A, B. You can replace it instead of A and B. Very clearly, what's the answer? Okay. And just I replaced A, 1 and B, 2. A square is what? 1 comma, that is A square is 1 and AB 2. 1 comma 2 now. Same one. Okay. Go to next question. A square has two opposite vertices at 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1. The length of the side of the square is. So I will give this question for you. I will give 1 minute for doing this question. 1 minute for doing this question. Everybody try to solve this question within 1 minute. And after doing the questions, please send a key through the chat box. Everybody send the key through the chat box within 1 minute. Eagerly waiting for your answer through the chat box. Okay? Nobody got the answer. Nobody sent the message through the chat box. What happened? Is it difficult? So please listen here. So square. Square is there. The diagonal or the opposite diagonal point is there. There is one here, 2 comma 3. Here that is C, 4 comma 1. You're naming for the diagonal. The diagonal length is given. The length of the diagonal is AC is equal to what? AC is equal to square root of 4 minus 2, that is 2 square is 4. 1 minus 2 square 4, that is equal to 2 root 2. 2 root 2. This is 2 root 2. Here is a, by the Pythagoras theorem, 2a square is equal to d square, that is 8. A is equal to what? A square plus a square is equal to this case. Then A is equal to, there is a formula, A is equal to, you know, the A is equal to d by root 2. So formula for finding the A side d diagonal length. The side is equal to d by root 2. How do you get this formula? So there is a square plus a square is equal to this case, square is there. 2a square is equal to what? 2a square is equal to 2a square. 2a square is equal to 2a square is equal to 8. S square is equal to 4. Then A is equal to 2. And 2 is answer. In this case also 2. What distance is 2 root 2? 2 root 2 divided by root 2. This is also 2. It's another formula. You can use the direct or in the formula A is equal to D by root 2. The correct answer is 2. Yes. Alvin, yes. Alvin got D. Leah, correct answer B. Alvin also, Alvin got correct B option. Okay. Okay. Is it clear? The last minutes we are doing that case studies questions. The last case studies questions are there. So this is 13. The vertices of a triangle have integer coordinates. The triangle cannot be the integer coordinate. Definitely it is not an equilateral triangle, because the equilateral triangle, the area of the equilateral triangle is equal to, area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 S square divided by 4. So definitely these coordinates are not integer. The vertices of triangle have integer coordinates. The triangle cannot be equilateral triangle, equilateral. At least one of the values is irrational. Because the area formula, that is root 3 S square by 4, this is a irrational number. It is an irrational number. S square is fractional, S square by 4 there, and root 3 is an irrational, because the triangle have integer coordinates. Definitely this triangle is not a equilateral. Yes. This question, the points 1, 3, minus 1, 2 have two opposite vertices of a rectangle. Opposite vertices of rectangle, that is 1, 3 and minus 2, 1. This case, what is the midpoint of this one? Midpoint is what? Midpoint is minus 1 by 2, 2. That midpoint is, this is another diagonal. This is a diagonal. This diagonal is what? 2, y is equal to 2x plus lambda. This point minus 1 by 2, 2 lies on. Y is equal to, lies on, y is equal to 2x. Time കഴിഞ്ഞോ? Okay? Clear? So please apply here, that is 2 is equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus lambda. Then why lambda is equal to what? Lambda is equal to 3. 3 is the correct answer. Which question, Muhammad? Question? Which one? So the last question. The vertices of a triangle have integer coordinate. Integer coordinate, definitely integer coordinate. It is not an equilateral triangle. If in the equilateral triangle, the coordinates, at least one of the coordinate is not integer. 12th one. 12th one, that is anything I say A is equal to D by root 2 is a direct formula, or otherwise we are apply the right angle triangle here, A and A, that A square plus A square is 2A square. 2A square is equal to what? This value is, the distance is 8, then A square is equal to 4 and A is equal to 2 in this method, or otherwise A is equal to D by root 2. D by root 2 direct formula, that is D is the length of the diagonal, that is 2 root 2 by root 2, that is equal to 2. Okay, Muhammad, yeah, clear? This is the last minute. We will do the case studies. Actually, the case studies, a frog is presently located at the origin 0, 0 in the xy plane. It always jumps from a point with integer coordinates to a point with integer coordinates moving a distance of 5 units in each jump. Please take a screenshot. This is x-axis, y-axis. Actually, the frog position is 0, 0 here. 0, 0. Presently located at the origin 0, 0 in the xy plane. It always jump from a point with the integer coordinates, to the point with the integer coordinates, moving at distance 5 units in each jump. The question is what is the minimum number of jumps required for the frog to go from 0, 0 to 0, 1? 0, 0 to 0, 1. 0, 1 is here. The minimum jump. So this distance is what? Our distance we are doing 5 units. 5 units. The first 5 units actually 0, 0 here, 4 square plus 3 square. The first point is this one. This point is 4, 3. This distance is 5. Here there is another point is 0, 6. Then 4 square plus 3 square is 25. That is 5 here. And then his next point is 5 distance, 0, 1. How many jump? 3 times. 3 times. 3 times. The first point is 4, 3. Second point 0, 6. And 3 times. The first question, which is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Next, the coordinates of the first jump 4, 3. D is the correct answer. And the coordinate of the second jump 0, 6 is a case study. Actually give the instant and then to ask certain questions related to that passage. Okay, the time is over. Thank you very much.